Oh. Holy! Look at the face! Look at the teeth! Oh my god, look at the teeth!
Hey guys, what's going on? Today I got another video for you, and this one is going to be crazy. So, today we were at one of our projects, and we're putting up studs to fur out a wall so we can put up some sheetrock. And part of this job consisted of going up into the attic and putting some supports. So as we climb up into the attic, well, I have the video, so why don't you guys just watch it. Here we go.
Guys, what's going on? Today I'm here with Billy, that's also known as Nezzy, so check out his channel. He does some great things with some RC cars. Right now we're doing some construction. We're up in the attic and we're putting up a wall, so we're doing some framing from the top so we have something to screw to. Now I'm up here and in the corner and I hear like a tss, and I'm like, yo Billy, what's that? So I moved some insulation and we got, what do we got? Billy, what do we got?
We got bats, alive and well.
And they got rabies! Probably. Billy's gonna use his glove and he's gonna grab it. Oh.
Crying. That means mommy's around. Uh-oh. Oh. Holy! Look at the face! Look at the teeth! Oh my god, look at the teeth! Look at the teeth! Get me out of here! Get me out of here! Dude, mom's gonna kill us! Dude, the mother's teeth are like 3 times the size.
Oh man, that's crazy.
Look at the teeth on it! Looks like a freaking little, hyena.
Look at that, it's kind of cute.
It's cute, and it's creepy kind of.
But getting rabies is not cute.
No, these things carry some serious rabies.
Now, how many of them do you think are up here?
Oh yeah, it's probably 6. Look at those teeth. Baby's got teeth. Can you imagine?
Now, of all the houses I've done, this is my first time dealing with bats.
And we found a homeless guy.
Isn't that nuts?
And we found a homeless guy in the attic.
That's right, you guys are never gonna know what you're gonna find in the attic. Take that. Be careful.
Oh my god. Get off. Stop fighting. Jesus, man. That one's got like 3 guns. Good thing they don't fly around the daytime.
So there you have it, guys. That is what happened to me today. I was almost eaten by bats. Well, not eaten. It turns out that, according to batworld.org, less than 0.5% of bats have rabies. So these guys were chill, they were docile, they weren't trying to bite us, which was a good sign that they were healthy. So what we did was we put them in a bucket and we continued to work. They were, they were sleeping, doing their thing, not bothering us, we weren't bothering them. And then we waited for nightfall. So following batworld.org's rules, you take them in the bucket, wait for nightfall, and then just kind of shoot them on the way. You don't want to come in contact with them with your bare hands, just in case they bite you or anything like that, and make sure they fly away. Now, that's what we did, is at nighttime after work, we went to a local park and we set them on their way, so they're free and happy. One thing to note though, which the website does not tell you, if you are releasing these things near your house, that's probably not a good idea. They got into your attic for a reason, right? They whether you have mesh that's like chewed in on at the vent at the gable end wall where the vent is, the little vent going through. If you have a hole there and you let the bats go right next to your house, they're just gonna fly right back in. They'll know where their nest is. So these guys are great for hunting mosquitoes, and we need them. So if you find bats, please don't kill them. Be nice to them. Alright, so that's going to do it for this video. So as my friend Nezzy says, go ahead and smash that like button and comment down below questions, concerns, thoughts. I will answer you. And if you haven't subscribed already, please do so.